What's up guys, welcome to the BMW M3. Now we have done the most exciting upgrade you can do to a car, the exhaust. A few days ago I received my new FI exhaust for the BMW M3 G80, and yesterday I went over to Musselman who helped me out with the installation of it. Unpacking the exhaust is like Christmas morning. It's so satisfying to unwrap the downpipe with a 200 cell cat, by the way, because I don't really like the sound and smell of a D-cat. I'm more of a 200 cell cat guy. It's such a cool experience, and well, you've seen the thumbnail. We went for golden exhaust tips, and that's a great example of the possibilities you have with FI. You can get many different tips, and it really gives the car a certain look. You can go for carbon tips, you can go for steel tips, you can go for titanium tips. They have a lot of possibilities, which is really cool. What's also really cool is that it has this dual character, because with the valves closed, it's completely fine. It's not loud, it's not intrusive, it's not drony. But once you open up the exhaust, it's absolutely insane. So it has this raspy, metally sound you also get with an M3 E46, which is always a good thing, right? Now, the sound, it's a 10. It really is. I really do hope you agree with me on that, but let me know in the comment section what you think of the sound and give it a rating out of 10. As for the golden tips, it's a bit of a hit and miss. We wanted to do something out there, something a bit different, but it didn't really work out. With our old M135i we did golden wheels, which we thought looked absolutely spectacular. These golden tips, we've all seen those FI exhausts on Liberty Walk Aventadors and stuff like that. Looks awesome. On the M3 though, not really. It's not for us. So we took off the exhaust tips to determine which tips should be on there. And seeing the bare exhaust, I thought, wow, that racy look, that raw look, it's kind of cool. That also really reminds me of the E46 CSL, and I think I'm keeping it this way. I'm really happy with the exhaust, with how it looks, how it sounds, and the daily usability of it. It's insane and very calm at the same time. And it uses the factory exhaust valves, so I can just hit M2 and it's either Jekyll or Hyde. Yes, I did it. So we're going to do a lot more videos with the M3 and the FI exhaust. If you want an FI exhaust for your car, go check out the link in the description and find out what you can get for yours.